it's Miss Schneeberger, and I just wanted to touch base with you guys about the House on Mango Street final exam. So this is going to be done in a week where you do not necessarily have class with me if you are part of the B cohort. So A cohorts will get this explanation in class, but if you're absent, this is a good way to get it. And my B cohorts, I will direct you to this in class as well. Hopefully that's how you found the video. So for this test, you're going to demonstrate that you can analyze excerpts from the House on Mango Street, demonstrate that you can define vocabulary in context, and demonstrate that you can identify figurative language. So these are pretty much all of the things that you have been doing in your independent lessons with your multiple choice assignments and whatnot, especially when you're not working in class with me or just like your regular reading checks. So this multiple choice is your final assessment for the Mango Street unit. Please complete this test on the date that it is assigned to you. It says you have unlimited time, meaning you know, if you need to take 2 hours to finish the test, you have 2 hours to finish the test. If you need to take more, that's fine. But please don't take like 2 weeks to finish the exam. Technically, it does close on the 17th, which is the halfway point for quarter 2. But try to get it done before then. If not, I'm going to be sending messages and calling home. So make my job easier and just finish it on the 24th. Please make sure that you take screenshots of your answers as you work, just in case of any glitches, because we all know Teams is Teams. So all you have to do is click on the Mango Street exam form, and that will open slowly because it's on my computer. Hopefully on your iPad it goes faster. Okay, so when we are looking at this, we're basically looking at, all right, so please use your understanding of the novel as a whole to answer questions to demonstrate what you have learned about the vignettes, specifically plot, character, and literary elements. Complete each section and move on to the next. Please take a screenshot of each page to ensure that you can re-enter your answers if you have any tech issues, all right? One thing I want to draw your attention to, so that I don't have to read this, if you require help reading this or would just like to have help reading this, if you hit the immersive reader, and I'm trying to unmute my screen here. Okay. If you click this little button, it will pop up the immersive reader for you, and you should be able to have it read for you. So all you have to do is hit the play button and it will be able to read.
1. I don't know why, but something inside me wanted to throw a stick. Something wanted to say no when I watched Sally going into the garden, with Tito's buddies all grinning. It was just a kiss, that's all. A kiss for each one, so what, she said, only how come I felt angry inside. Like something
You get the idea. And if I go through the entire thing, it will read the question to you and it will also read the answers to you as well. So if you are someone who requires the test to be read to you, or you're just someone who wants it done, that's fine. However you get it done is absolutely fine. And then you can just close it. And then, oops, I just closed the entire form, sorry. You just close the immersive reader, you click out of it, and it will take you back to the regular form. Hang on. Okay, it'll take you back, and then you're good to go. If it would, there we go. All right, so if I come down to this one, I click on the immersive reader, it will open it back up. All right, oh, sorry, then you click, it's just out of frame to the left, there's a little arrow, you just click the arrow, it will bring you back to the form. All right, so you have as much time as you need to answer this. There's a couple pages of questions. This combined with the last vignette you wrote for 8.75, those will both be considered assessments for this unit, and it'll be a little while before we have another one for the next unit. All right, we will also be starting the science fiction unit as we come back to school after our break. But you will still have this open if you wish to fix it in any way, shape, or form. All right, guys, have a wonderful day. Good luck. And if you have any questions, feel free to message me.